Not quite, there you go.
Timber!
That's Snow Mountain Wilderness over there. It's hard to see from right here, but half of it's burnt. Behind the camera is Whole Mountain. The car says it's 35, but with the wind, it's just real cold. So this is our first year getting a Christmas tree out in the forest. We paid the 10 bucks and sent our application into Mendocino National Forest back in late October. If you go to the Mendocino National Forest website, you'll find under permits, Christmas tree permits. For 10 bucks, you can get yourself a permit to come out into the forest and get yourself a Christmas tree. Mailed it late October, mid-October, somewhere in there.
Do you want me to come?
It took about a month to get it back, but now we have a map that says where you can go, the regulations on the species, the size, they make it very clear, so there's no getting in trouble. On the way up here, we did see a park ranger following several people with trees in their back of their truck. Pretty much everyone we've seen has a tree in the back of their truck. Everyone we talked to, they're up here to get Christmas trees. I didn't know you could do this, but it's pretty cool. We brought our car this year, so it'll be a little interesting getting it home, but stopped at this spot to kind of look around. This tree behind me is kind of the species we're looking for. We're not exactly sure what we want, but we're not looking for like this style pine tree over here that's just not quite dense enough for us. So we're gonna walk around a little bit and see what we can find. I hope you'll join us. Let's go. You can hear the rest of Sam off in here. That's some rain coming? What kind of Christmas tree?
I mean, I want something like this, but obviously it's way too big.
What makes it too big?
It's
too tall? So you're saying it's the height?
Too tall, and it's too thick. The trunk is too thick.
Oh.
It has to be 4 inches or under in diameter, the trunk.
You sure it's 4? I thought it was 5 or 6.
It was 4.
Oh, really?
5 inches or less.
Oh.
5 inches or less. I'm incorrect.
We have it all and the permit. We're coming. It's snowing. I don't know how we're going to back up the hill, but whatever. You have to drag the tree up this stuff?
Yeah.
Now it's less one-sided.
Less one-sided, but it's less dense too.
Oh.
I don't know. I think of the 3 that we just narrowed it down to, that's the best one.
Yeah.
We'll put the thin side against the wall.
Okay. Yeah.
What's that?
This is our Christmas tree permit. So we paid $10 so that we could get this map and a whole explanation.
I see the map.
Of
Here, I'll
the
take the
rules.
paper. Show me the map.
Yeah. We got a map that shows us where in the different counties we can cut a Christmas tree down legally. Gives us a set of rules. We have to get off the road. And we have to choose a tree that's at least, no more than 5 inches.
No more than?
No more than 5 inches around at the very base.
Oh, that's right. I'm sorry. I get it backwards.
So we can't get too big. Nature sent us a beautiful little snow flurry just to add to the festive atmosphere. That's what our Christmas tree tag looks like. Directions on how to attach it.
I love the sound of the snow because it just gets so that really quiet. I think it's pretty cool that it's snowing while we're about to cut our Christmas tree down. This is pretty awesome. It seems like everybody's out here to get a Christmas tree today. It's fantastic. But the fact that as soon as we find a tree, it starts just dumping snow is really, I think, a blessing.
Okay, buddy, so here's our Christmas tree tag. It's a little bit like a bumper sticker. It has sticky adhesive on the back. And what we have to do is wrap it around the trunk of the tree and stick the 2 ends to each other, like that.
Okay.
And we have to do it in such a way that the tag couldn't be removed because they want to make sure that we're not doing anything sneaky. So
Such as?
Like taking it off and putting it on another tree so we could cut more trees than we paid for or than we're allowed. We don't want to do that.
Or giving it away or selling it.
Or anything like that. So we're going to put this around the tree above one of the little limbs so it couldn't just be pulled off or fall off, okay? All right. This Christmas tree tag has a ruler here at the bottom that measures out 6 inches. And so what we have to do is make sure that our tree
is less than 6 inches.
6 inches or less across the trunk at the ground level.
Okay.
You want to take that and measure the tree?
Heck yeah.
Okay.
So it is under?
Well under.
Yeah.
You're at about 4.
Oh. Okay.
I'll put this in my pocket so you can use trash. Take your time. Aren't we supposed to sign this thing? Yeah.
You feel it on my face.
That was really fast. I didn't expect it to go down so fast. Woohoo!
Okay.